Hi everyone! My name is Lillian from the Los Angeles Trust for Children's Health, and today we will be making French toast sticks with a delicious berry syrup. Let's begin.
Okay, here we have all of the ingredients that we will be using to make the French toast. We have 6 slices of whole wheat bread, which we will be cutting up into smaller pieces for a total of 24 pieces. We have 2 whole eggs plus 2 egg whites. Then here we have 1/3 cup of milk, non-fat milk, but feel free to use a milk alternative because almond milk tastes just as yummy. We also have 1 tablespoon of 100% orange juice, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. So these are the supplies that you will be needing from your kitchen. We have a cutting board and a knife, which will be used to cut the bread. Also a spoon, a pair of tongs, a whisk, which will be used with a small bowl. You can also just use a fork in place of a whisk. We have 2 measuring cups. We have it in 1 cup and 1/3 cup. We also have 3 measuring spoons. We have 1/2 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon, and 1 tablespoon. And the supplies that you will be using on the stove are a large skillet and 1 small saucepan with the lid. So first we will slice the bread in half, and then each half we will slice in half again. So each slice will have 4 pieces. So in the end we will have 24 pieces of French toast sticks. Here is a quick way to separate the egg yolk from the egg whites. You take an empty water bottle, and then you can actually squeeze each egg yolk with the water bottle and separate it into the bowl. Done. So this is the fun, messy part. You get to soak each piece of bread into your mixture here. Make sure that you soak each side and then set aside on a plate. So next, heat your skillet over medium heat and spray it with some non-cooking spray. Then those same pieces of bread that you just soaked in the egg mixture, you're going to put them in a single layer on the skillet, and you're going to cook them for about 2 minutes on each side. They are going to look like this when you flip them over after 2 minutes. While you are cooking your French toast sticks, you can start making your berry syrup. So here we have 2 cups of frozen strawberries. You can actually use whatever berries you have on hand, and it could be fresh berries. It does not have to be frozen. But here I have 2 cups of strawberries, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. And over medium heat, you can just stir this occasionally for about 3 to 5 minutes. And here we have the final product. It smells so yummy. I like to serve this French toast with the side of fruit, and you could also have this with a glass of your favorite juice.